name is Lovey, but you can call me Hugs. My real name's Lovey. But on YouTube, I always like to be called Hugs. So, my name is Lovey/Hugs, as you know. And I was born on the first day I came out, which was January 18th, 2000. Oh, I almost said 12, 13. I like making YouTube videos on my sister Lilac's channel. She makes videos. Hi guys, I'm on 7 Puzzle Bears on Tuesday. See you this Tuesday. Bye. Yeah. So, and I'm a Harajuku Hugs teddy or bear. I'm not sure. This is G. So, another one of my hobbies is playing with my Bearville and my friends and talking on Kunduk and making YouTube videos and excuse me, and I like to have fun. So, Lilac, can you help me log on to your YouTube channel? Show them? Yeah, I don't care. Okay, 1 second, you guys. So, here's our YouTube channel. Lilac's. We have 83 subscribers, 4,145 video views. Here's some stuff, my latest video. So, do you need YouTube videos? Mom, give me back. Okay, 1 second. If you want a shout out in next week's comment, tell me what's your favorite color and your name. Well, your friends. So, my favorite color is pink, black, and white. And this is blue, because, see, she's wearing blue. Lilac, anything to say? Like, comment, and subscribe. Stuffed Animal Lover 100. And 7 Puzzle Bears. Thanks for watching 7 Super Bears, and see you next week. Have a great weekend. Bye.